Mukesh Ambani is setting sights on coal assets overseas, and the company has initiated talks with a leading Australian miner for a possible acquisition. Let's go across to Mohit Balla for those exclusive details. Mohit, run us through why is Reliance Industries now looking at an acquisition in the coal space, and how big could the deal be?
Shivani, clearly as far as the intent behind looking at coal assets overseas for a company like Reliance Industries is pretty clear. Most big Indian corporations that have significant amount of business in the commodity space or in the energy space, or even for that matter in manufacturing, have huge requirements for power, and therefore in effect have huge requirements for captive coal as well in order to secure their energy requirements in the long term. We've seen a lot of big Indian companies exploring the opportunity to buy coal assets overseas. These include some of the large Indian groups like the Aditya Birla Group, for example, or even other groups like in the infrastructure space like GMR, GVK, and even the Tatas, for example. So clearly there is a race for coal at this point in time. The key driver for this is the fact that most Indian companies as well as Chinese companies are looking at energy security and are looking at securing these assets as soon as possible for the long term. We understand that Reliance, of course, has submitted an expression of interest now for a company called Premier Coal Resources. This is headquartered in Western Australia in the city of Perth. It's part of one of the largest listed Australian companies called the Wesfarmers Group. They in fact put this mining company up on auction sometime in April this year. We understand that RIL has submitted an expression of interest and will carry out due diligence on this asset to begin with. This business, of course, this particular coal mining company could be valued at anywhere in excess of $500 million. They have 121 million tons of coal reserves, and it's a producing mine. It's not a mine that is greenfield. It's a producing mine, and we understand that there will be a lot of bidders, both Indian and Chinese, looking at it. Final bids will be submitted at the end of June, and that's when RIL is likely to submit their final bid as well.